Hello guys and welcome to Maneuver Education. So guys, this is the video for the NIMSET 2025 students who are writing 2025. So guys, the main doubt that is coming to students brain is, guys, can I write NIMSET or not? So guys, basically what is the eligibility criteria? Who can write NIMSET 2025? So guys, in this video we will be covering all your doubts regarding are you eligible to write the NIMSET or not. So guys, coming to the main point, that is the educational qualification. So guys, education qualification is that graduation. You must be a graduate, and graduate in what, guys? Graduate in science. You could either have done BSc, you could have done either BCA, or guys, you could have done BIT, that is Bachelor in Information Technology. But the condition required is, guys, you must have mathematics or statistics as your topics. Okay, so guys, आपके core subjects में mathematics and statistics होना चाहिए. Otherwise guys, you cannot be eligible for the MCA program. Okay guys, the students who have done the BE or you can say BTech, guys, those students are also eligible to write the examination. Now guys, coming to the guys marks, guys, only doing the graduation is not enough. Also guys, you need to know the minimum marks that the NIMSET asks. So guys, the NIMSET asks for the 60% marks. Guys, अगर आपके पास marks जो आपको marks आने वाला है, is it coming in the percentage? So minimum guys, it should be 60%. And guys, if your score is coming in the CGPA, guys, so this should be at least 6.5 CGPA in graduation. Guys, graduation का बात करें, 10th 12th doesn't matter here. Okay, and guys, 6.5 CGPA, this is out of 10 CGPA. Okay, accordingly guys, if you are having more, you can answer accordingly. But guys, those who are from the reservation category, that is from the SC and ST, so guys, they are allowed for the 55% of marks or 6 CGPA grade. Okay, and guys, this is only for the SC ST. OBC के लिए guys कोई यहाँ पे reservation नहीं रहेगा. Okay, now guys, this is all you need. You can see guys, accordingly you can prepare, you can see if I'm eligible or not. So guys, अगर आप BSc, BCA, BIT or BTech student हैं, so you can definitely go for it. Guys, on the students who are writing the final year, those are in the final year exams, can also appear for the NIMSET 2025 program. Okay guys, when you will be joining the NIMSET, you can say guys, when you will be joining the college MCA, then at the time you have to present your final mark sheet. Okay, so guys, if you are in the final year exams, so you can definitely write the NIMSET 2025. Okay, and guys, if you are preparing for NIMSET, so guys, you can join our classroom programs. So guys, if you are Mumbai based, you can contact on the given numbers, so you can join our classroom program and live classroom program. So guys, Pune based student can also join, and if you are guys not Mumbai or Pune based, you can contact on the given numbers for the live classes. Okay, and also guys, you can go to our website, that is maneuveredu.com. So guys, you can go to the maneuveredu.com. Here you have to go do is go to the buy course, go for the guys MCA, go for the MCA exams. Then guys, here you can choose for the guys NIMSET 2000. Okay, now guys, in the NIMSET courses, you can see you can either choose for the live classes if you want. So guys, if you are preparing for 2025, you can join our crash course that is running on. If you are preparing for the next year, guys, so you can join our NIMSET marathon batch. Also guys, if you want to prepare self study करना चाहते हैं, guys, self study के लिए भी आप courses join कर सकते हैं. Self study course अपने for NIMSET 2025 for 2026 student is provided. Also guys, sectional भी sectional courses भी आपको provided हैं, and the guys, most important, mock test भी आपके लिए available है. Okay, so guys, you can visit the website, you can check the links. Okay, and guys, if you like the video, so guys, do subscribe the channel for the future updates regarding the NIMSET MCA exams. Okay, and share it with your friends, guys, and like the video.